Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode starts off with uSifiso uhleli endumbeni with his friend uMikey uyaxoxa. So uSifiso then says, yabona nje lento yokuthi ngingene ngenyawo elilodwa olunye lungaphandle ulento leya zethu. I need ukuthula lento le. uMikey then says she must decide whether she's in or out. uSifiso then says kade wakhetha lo muntu lo. Dala ngimncenga kodwa uyakubeka bucaca ukuthi yena she won't be a second wife. Shuthi nami ke akumelanga ngizenze isilime, mele ngivume, I must accept defeat, ngimdedele. Yabona nje lento engenze izolo kumankanyane ebusuku. Hi. And then uMike then says, yini manje? uSifiso then says, ebekhuluma nami ngodaba lampendulo. Ngamhlafuna. Ngoba ngivele nacabanga what you said to me. Ngisathi ngicabanga amazwi akho waqhamuka uzethu engqondweni yami. Ngakhuluma kabuhlungu nomankwanyane. I don't like what I've become. Remember guys, last week's episode ended with uSifiso just snapping at umankwanyane because ustressa uzethu, whereas umankwanyane was just asking about imbeleko or yengane yabo. uMike then says, lalela ke wemasobote, nawe ungumuntu. Kodwa ke uyaphoqa ukuthi ebugcineni a decision must be made. uSifiso then says, angeke ngimkhombe ngesibhamu, angeke ngimthwale phela ukuthi abe umfazi wami. uMike then says, ekugcineni usilahla ithawula. uSifiso then says, mele nginake umndeni wami bhuti, nginake umfazi wami lo ngawuphiwa ngamadlozi. uMike ahleke. uSifiso's like, yini? uMike then says, hi, aglutho. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, umankwanyana is busy hanging, washing there. uSifiso approaches her because he knows he owes her an apology. She doesn't even look in his way, guys, to show Usi she's still mad at him. uSifiso then says, mankwanyana. She just keeps quiet. He then says, ngiyaxolisa. She looks at him and she continues hanging washing. uSifiso goes on to say, bongamele ngikhulume nawe ngale ndlela engikhulume ngayo. Umsebenzi kuningi sithanda sami, uhlangahlangene, kodwa ke ngiyaxolisa. Mankwanyane then says, baba, ngicela ukuthi ungakhohlwa, beyond being a policeman, you're a father. Ungubaba kwindodana yethu, indodana esingakayenzeli lutho. He has not even been introduced to the ancestors. uSifiso then says, yiphutha lami lelo elikhulu futhi ngiyalibona. umankwanyane then says, angazi ngempela ikuphi inkinga yakho, kodwa kuzomela siyilungise le. uSifiso then says, kwenzenjani? umankwanyane then says, baba, awukho lana, angikwazi ngempela ukuthi umqondo wakho ukuphi. uVusi lo, he has started coming home late because you never hear. Waqina nini baba ukumthinta? Yazi emshadweni wethu wonke angikaze ngizize ngingedwa kanje. uSifiso then says, ngiyaxolisa, ngiyakuthembisa ngizokwenza kangcono sithanda sami. Mengibuya namhlanje emsebenzini ngizokhuluma noVusi nomjikijelwa, ngizoshisa impepho sikhubeko ngalomcimbi kampendulo. Ungixolele sithandwa sami, ngisengaphazamiswa And then he pauses because he knows who has been the real distraction in his mind. He then says, umsebenzi. Kodwa ngiyakuthembisa, ngeke ngiphinde ngivumele umsebenzi ungene ngaphakathi kwethu. She looks at him and then he says, ngiyaxolisa sithandwa sami. Mankwanyane then says, ala wenze kanjalo ngempela baba, angazi ngempela ukuthi ngenwe yini. And then she just walks off and then that scene just ends like that. Next scene, girl, we see uZenzo. He is in his scrapyard, you guys. He is fixing a car when Unga walks in on his father and he's just standing there. He's like, baba. uZenzo then looks at him like to say, why ungakhulumi umele lapho? He then says, ufuna ungitshela ukuthi uzoma nje, ugoqa nje izandla without offering any help. Unga then says, baba yikuthi ngila nje, khona engifisa ukubuza khona ngomshado wakho. uZenzo then says, ngomshado wami? Unga then says, yebo baba, nginombuzo. Baba, kungani uma engasebenzi noma mhlambe angabambi amatoho lapha nalapha? uZenzo responds and then says, yikuthi yazikhethela nje. Unga then says, awumphoqelanga ukuthi ayeke. uZenzo then says, cha, ngithi ngikwenzelani lokho? Unga then says, yazi baba, some men don't want their wives to work and make their own money. UZenzo then says, yabona-ke wemfana wam, lawo madoda lawo, hayiphukuphuku. Yabona indoda akumelanga inqabele umuntu wesifazane asebenze mengabe efuna ukusebenza. Your mother used to work. Kodwa kuthe mekabeletha wena nodadewenu ababili waseyeka umsebenzi ukuze azothola ithuba lokuthi akhulise nina kahle. Nami-ke, I didn't have a problem with it. Kodwa-ke makwenzeka that she wants to go back to work, hayi angeke ngimnqabe. Then says baba, uqinisile yazi amanye amadoda la ngaphandle ayiphukuphuku. UZenzo then says, manje-ke awusho-ke ndodana, kungani ubuza yonke le mibuzo? Then says, hayi cha wena khehla, khona something that I saw efonini yami abantu bexoxa njengalolu daba ngathi angikubuze. UZenzo then says, on your phone? Then says, yeah, but you can see he's lying, guys. He's obviously speaking about uMaNgcobo. He is disturbed with the fact that uShwabi is such a traditional man, and the fact that uMaNgcobo, being such a young woman with so much potential, married such a man. Next thing, we see uSfiso usemsebenzini, guys. He is putting one guy eselling. So he says to the guy, Gena puti. As he's about to lock the gate leseli, guys, uMusa runs towards him. uSfiso umangele, what is uMusa doing here? He's like, Musa. uMusa then says, ngiyacela ungisize, cela ungikhiphe lana. uSfiso's like, kwenzakalani? Ufunani lana? uMusa then says, the police came to my house to arrest me today. She reported me to the police and said that I tried to kill her. Ngiyazamu bachazela ukuthi yiphutha bayaphazama nambengazi what was happening, but they won't listen. Bengithi uzongisiza nje naSfiso. uSfiso's like, that's exactly what I'm trying to do. uMusa then says, why didn't you tell me yonke lento izowenzeka? uSfiso then says, listen, the matron went behind my back and she chose to, as uSfiso's trying to finish off his sentence, uMusa then says, ngikhiphe lana, screaming, guys, and banging on the cell doors. Getting phone lana, crying, guys. And then uSfiso just keeps quiet. uMusa comes down. He's like, ngiyaxolisa. uSfiso's like, kulungile. uMusa's like, I know that I'm at fault. I know I scared everyone. Nambengazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Indaba basangcine lana pho. uSfiso then says, Musa, wonke umuntu uyazi. You're not supposed to be here. You made a mistake. Bengingazi ukuthi uzobosha. Uzophuma lana ngiyohlola how you ended up in here. Kodwa uzoqala ukuthi ungenzele into eyodwa. Yehlisa umoya. Ngizoyilungisa lento. And then he goes into uCaptain's office. He enters uCaptain's office and is like, Captain, why was Musa arrested? uCaptain's like, how? Usho isigelekethwa lesi esikidnaphe abantu. uSfiso's like, akasona isigelekethwe. That boy needs help. He's sick. uCaptain then says, uMatron ufike lana wavula icala against the boy. Awuyekela inkosi yenkantolo ithathe isinqumo ngalo mfana. uSfiso's like, Captain, I told you I was in the process of helping the boy. Ngehla ngenyuka nalo mfana ngifuna umqondisa. uCaptain then says, yey wena khathide, ngikuyekile uthwala izinga ungena la shaking your behind ingathi kusemzini kanyoka. Angizuphatha wena mina, siyezwana? uSfiso then says, ngiyakuzwa Captain, kodwa with all due respect, bengicela ngiyazi ukuthi lo mfana udingani for him to be healthy. uCaptain then says, the boy attacked a woman with a weapon. Wavula icala against him. Tina-ke at the station, we responded to the law. Tina sihlonipha umthetho, sihamba ngomthetho. Hayi indaba yamaphupho nemibono yokulapha igelekethwa. Siyabonga ngoba wena uyabona. Kodwa la khathide silandela umthetho. Vo siyezwana. uSfiso then says, hayi kuyazwakala. Then he leaves and then that scene just ends like that. Next scene, uShobane useklinikhi, guys. he is accompanying some lady out of the door. I'm just like, uShobani uzojolela la eklinikhi out of all places. So uShobani is saying to the girl, ngiyabonga mama, ngizokufonela ntambama yeza, woza la. And then he kisses her, guys. He opens the door. The girl walks out. He's like, hey, wena njalo, watching her walk out. That time, guys, he's doing all of that while uZethu can see because she's at the reception clinic. uZethu then says, where's Shobani? Shobani then says, yeah. uZethu then says, what game are you playing? uShobani then says, I'm Zwanga. uZethu then says, wawuphansi phezulu naso sonke iskate la okhambeni. Wenzela ba? Wenzela mina ngikubone. uShobani then says, where's Zethu? Do you have such a high sense of importance now? uZethu then says, Shobani mnisi, ngiyakwazi wena. You're just trying to provoke me. uShobani then says, manak. Aw gosh. Unesikhwele yini ntombo? He laughs. He's like, wena isikhwele? I know cisha loo nto wena. Ayikufaneli. Futhi wena owangilahla Zethu. Is my life supposed to stop because you broke up with me? Is that what you think? uZethu then says, angicabangi kanjalo. uShobani then says, that's exactly what you think. Musukamba manga. Lalela ke. Mina ngiyakha njengamanje. Lento bengifuna uyakha nawe. Ikusasa impilo esofty yasemadolobheni. I'm going to build it with another woman. A woman who actually wants to build with me. Angeke ngivimbe icebo likaNkulunkulu mina. Ngingubani mina? Never. Futhi ungaphindi ungibuze ngempilo yami yangasese. Wangishiya wena ilanga libalele. Bokumele ngenze njani? Ngikhale. Cha ntombo, asenzi kanjalo la. He walks off and is like, imihlono yami. How? Hayibo guys, this guy uyadenela. No scene guys, uShwabi is hosting endlini yakhe. uCaptain is there, uMike is there, and two other guys. Uyaphuzwa. Guys, uMangobo ukhathele phela uShwabi called her from the tavern. She was working at Taverni. He called her home to come and cook because he's hosting his friends. So anyway, uCaptain there, he's busy speaking. He's like, yazi izisebenzi zami bazenzela umathanda wabo. Ingathi it's their mother's house. They're all laughing there. He's like, hey bagithi, nginitshele isimanga. Can you believe that I've never shot anyone? Ngisho idolwana leli. Everyone ahleke. He's like, ngiyanitshela. uShwabi then says, hey madoda, refill your glasses please. Khona into okumele ngiyilungise. Wena ke ukhuluma umphetho. He walks over to the kitchen, guys. He's like, where Mangobo? Mangobo is sweating there, guys. She's preparing food like listen. From working at the tavern straight into the kitchen, it's no child's play. He then says, Mangobo, wozalana? She comes over to him. He's like, ungani ungagezanga? Hayibo, guys. Mangobo's like, ngigezile nje. uShwabi then says, ugezile, ubukeka kanje? Njengoba uqhebezela ungathobile ngisho umlomo, awulingisanga ngisho ne-makeup yakho, awubuke nje, awugqokile nakahle. uMangobo's like, bengicabanga ukuthi ngoba sisendlini. uShwabi then says, yey, wocabanga. That time, guys, busy is fixing something. He's listening and umangele. uShwabi goes on to say, when my friends come here, you have to wear makeup. Ufuna bathini? Bathi unkosikazi wami uyavilapha wohluleka nokuzilungisa. Sikhulumile ngalento. Siyazwana. uMangobo, guys, she's so ashamed. She just nods her head. He goes on to say, when people look at you, they see me. uMangobo then says, ngiyaxolisa Khehla. uShwabi then says, uyaxolisa, hamba. Go fix yourself right now. uMangobo then says, yebo ngiyaxolisa, I'll take care of it. She walks off, guys, and you can see that this man belittles her. Unga is so shocked, and uShwabi goes on and joins his friends and makes jokes as if nothing happened. Guys, what type of impilo is uMangobo living? Because she acts as if this man provides everything. At what expense? Ugh, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.